So, what should you do with your self care practice if you don't feel well and you're one of those people that's a little bit of a perfectionist and you feel like you need to check everything off every day? Well, this video is for you. I'm actually not feeling well myself, but I'm not feeling guilty about not doing everything on my self care list. And sometimes taking a break from, especially if you have a large self care list, like 5 different things that you do. Sometimes let's just break it down and be simple. You either give yourself a day off and just rest because that's taking care of yourself, right? You want to get better, you want to feel better, you want to look better. I know I don't look great, I have my hair pulled back, but we all have days like this. So give yourself a break. Take it easy. Don't do anything. Just cuddle up on the couch or in bed with your cat, your dog, your spouse, your partner, whatever, and call it a day. It's okay. I'm giving you permission. And sometimes we all need that. So that's kind of my spiel for this week since I haven't felt great all weekend. I've been having problems with headaches. So I've been working on trying to figure out what's going on with that and me having these headaches. But let's do a card. So we're going to keep this short this week. So if you watch this, we're going to do real short. I'm not going to do a guided meditation. We're just going to sit in quiet like a regular meditation. So think about sitting quietly with me. And if you want to repeat a mantra like Om, just over and over again, or you want to visualize like a white rose in your mind when we meditate in quiet, or a white lotus, or if you're or if you're into breathing, just concentrate on your breath. You can just breathe normally and just concentrate on it, or if you want to do like 4 breaths in, hold for 2, 7 out, something to that effect, and just concentrate on your breath. Oh, we got a card. Let's see. I'm just going to do my regular mantra that my energy healing teacher gave to me. Okay, the affirmation card for this week is expanding inner power. Well, I need some more power, that's for sure. So, expanding inner power. Wonder what the message is for this. I am my most powerful when my creativity is given a voice. Well, that's very powerful. I am most powerful when my creativity is given a voice. And creative doesn't necessarily mean like you're an artist, you're a painter or anything like that. Creative is ideas, anything to help people, help yourself, help the world. Creative. And creativity, when I think about it, like one of the things I do when I get upset is I put music on. And I love to sing. I used to sing in choirs all the time when I was younger. And I've taken vocal lessons over the years and music theory and all that stuff. So, like, a song comes on that I really like, and I'll be creative with it. I might put some runs in it where there's not runs. I mean, being creative like that, just off the cuff, it doesn't have to be a real big to do. You could be creative with your lunches. Just change it up, be a little fancy about it, So when you get to work and you have your lunch, you pull it out, it looks beautiful. I mean, there's all different ways of being creative, and it's not just in the vein of painting or creating music or um, creating any kind of art. You can be creative every day in your everyday life. Um, just allow that side to come out, and however it comes out, it comes out. I mean, you be creative by rearranging your furniture in your living room, bedroom, redoing your bathroom, whatever. So just think about how you can be creative for the week, and you'll be good. It's always it's always good for the brain to do things different and not the same thing every day. Um, like writing with your opposite hand is really good. Doing crossword puzzles, Sudoku, things of that nature. Expanding your powers. It can be that simple. It's not rocket science. I like to use that a lot. So let's meditate together for 10 minutes or so. So I'm looking at the time. So I'll keep the time. And we'll just sit with our eyes closed for a minute. And you can concentrate on your breathing. You can concentrate on visualizing a white rose, a white lotus. You could say Om, which is the seed sound for your third eye. And both feet on the floor, spine straight up in your chair, on the sofa, wherever you are. I'd rather be on the sofa right now, but I didn't feel like taking all this over there. So let's take a breath in. Relax. And go into your mantra or your breathing. Focus on your breathing. And let's just do that for 10 minutes. I'll see you on the other side. Start coming back into the room now. Open your eyes when you're ready. If that felt good and you want to continue on another 10 minutes, go ahead. 20 minutes of non-guided meditation a day is what we're aiming for. So go ahead and continue. If not, you did 10 minutes. That's awesome. Good job. And I will see you next week. Crystal signing off from the Crystal Center of Healing. I hope you have a great week and think about that affirmation card. Take care.